All right, today we're swapping the stock trunk out for this is 2011 WRX. We're swapping the stock trunk out for one with a wing on it because instead of drilling holes in this perfect trunk, we'd rather keep it OEM and nice. So he just ordered up another one, and we're gonna swap him out, and then he'll have his big wing without destroying this beautiful wingless trunk, which I'm happy about.
If you're a long-time follower of the channel, you know this isn't the first STI wing we've put on a non-STI car.
That's very true.
It probably won't be the last.
Exactly. But for starters, we're just taking out these plastic rivets here, just going all the way around, and that'll help us take this whole felt piece off right here, and we'll show you the step after that. And they're pretty nice
and new they are.
Yeah, super nice. Okay, so we disconnected this plug right here, which was plugged into this, or rather this right here. So you just have to flare open, so just take a little flat tip there, and we push open. Oh, I can't get that to focus. The part right above my thumb here, put it inside of there, push that up, and it'll pop right out. It's actually really easy once you get a little flathead in there to kind of flare this open to get it to pop up and out of the plug right here. So we got that unplugged. Next we're taking the hood release out right here, which you just slide this down a little bit, and then it'll pop up and out of this channel. So you can see when I push on it, it flares open a little. That'll pop right out. So we're just taking a quick video to remember where everything went. Once we pop this out, that'll free up the line here for the inside latch release, and then it's just one screw. I think it's just the one right here, maybe two right here. So we'll take those out, pull the hood latch assembly out, and that should be it. And then just the 4 bolts, 1, 2, and 3, 4 to get that out. When we put the new one in, we'll make sure we line it up a couple times before we try to close it so we don't pinch stuff. All right, so we took the two 10 mil bolts out of here, so now we just let this dangle, and we're gonna get started on these 4 bolts on the sides. What do you think, 12 mil?
Yeah.
All right, so 12 mil, we're gonna remove those slowly with us holding each side and pull the trunk off. There you go, 4 bolts out, trunk is off, and he's unpacking the new one right now, which has a big old wang on it, and we'll show you what that looks like in a sec. Okay, so we got everything reconnected. This just pushes out and down like that when you put it back in. So you'll see we got that reconnected. Don't forget to stick it through the little collar right here. So then that flips around and it kind of just seats in like that. And then you push it back and you'll hear it click. And then that's in place. For this right here, there's just the little push button on the top side there, or bottom side right here actually. So that just pushes in and then the whole thing pops right out, pretty self-explanatory. This runs for the hood or the latch release right here, just runs up and under here. Got this all snipped back in right here, or clipped back in rather. These 2 lines, we got this plugged back in right here. We got this connection right here plugged back in. And then if you follow it back right here, and then got it clipped all back together right here.
Well, actually, you don't even, if you're doing like the whole trunk swap, like if you're just removing these bolts, taking your trunk off, putting a new trunk on, you can leave all these in on this arm here.
Yeah, so we didn't take this off at all. So once you disconnect it up past here, the rest of this can all stay on because it's just riding this frame, which isn't connected to the back right here. Once you take the bolts out, it just comes right out. So that looks pretty good. You want to give it a close? Nice. It actually fit up on the first try really nice. Closes, stays shut. If it bounces open on the highway going 80, you'll know you got a different problem, but I like that a lot better than cutting holes in the nice stock or the OEM trunk there. So now, when we're ready, or when he's ready to get rid of it or keep it hopefully forever, you can always swap out the other wing trunk and just put the stock one back in. So pretty nice. All in all, a really easy install. You need a 10 mil and a 12 mil socket, a ratchet, maybe a little flathead just to get that little thing bumped out of there, the little plug just to pop that loose, but otherwise it's looking pretty good. Looking very WRX today.
It's no.
It's what?
It does not look like a WRX.
Looks like an STI now?
It does. It is an STI.
Yeah, oh yeah, this is actually an STI conversion kit. But yeah, looks really good. Not gonna lie. I wish it wasn't debadged, but we can always buy new ones if we really have to.
We didn't film the 6-speed conversion swap is pretty easy. We didn't really need to film much.
Oh yeah.
You can figure that out. You need the hubs though, not just the trans. So
oh,
other
good
than
to
that,
know.
yeah, once you get the wing on, you've got an STI.
So there you have it. 25 more hertz per.
At least.
At least. Like and subscribe. A lot more WX videos to come.